Good morning. It is a sunny Saturday morning. I start off the day with a quick and simple breakfast. The reason why I chose Saturday is because on weekdays I have school and I cannot work on games. I go to high school and I have a pretty tough schedule this year. I am currently working on a new game, so today I am going to be working on it. If you haven't seen the video I made about this game, you should totally check it out. In that video I mentioned some bugs, so let's fix them. But before that I'm gonna draw a bush as the first piece of the environment, because currently the island is pretty empty. Since I'm not a pixel artist, I have to do some research on how to actually do pixel art. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this bush, okay? And here comes the bug fixing part. It is 10:30 and I have already fixed some glitches. Sadly, I have a few school assignments to turn in, so I'm gonna work on them a little. I am done with the schoolwork, so let's get back to Unity. I'm gonna work on the island. I looked up some real islands to see how they look in real life and started to draw my own one. Here is the final result. I am pretty hungry now, so I should eat something. After lunch I opened up Word to write down some ideas about the game, because I do not have any specific ideas what the game should be all about. I mean, the players are on an island and that's all we know, and they fight against other creatures, come on, I am better than that. I created a Trello list with the main things and then started to create the user UI. Each player has a health bar and an indicator which shows how many bullets are in the mag, and this should be enough for now. I am going for a short walk now to chill a little bit, because all the gyms are closed here in town. A quick refreshing trip, check. I am home now and I have some time to work on the game before dinner. And I know what I'm going to be doing. The weapon holder script, because I want to make the weapons scriptable objects to make things easier. After a delicious dinner, I will spend like an hour playing video games. Assassin's Creed and Rainbow Six Siege together with my friends. Then read a little bit and go to bed. That's pretty much it for this video, hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked, hit dislike if you didn't. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.